Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tricks app channel. Today I'll show you how to delete all liked videos on TikTok at once. If you have liked hundreds of videos and you want to unlike them all at once, it's very irritating to unlike each video in this way. Unfortunately, TikTok don't have this feature yet, but you can try this trick to unlike all of your TikTok videos at once. To do so, click on three lines. Click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on Report a Problem. Here scroll down and click on Follows, Likes, Comments. Click on Likes. Click on Others. Click on Need More Help. Here type this: I want to unlike all of my liked videos on TikTok at once. Please assist me in doing that. Click on Submit. Now, TikTok team will get back to you regarding your request to unlike all liked videos, and your all videos will be unliked. So these were some simple steps to follow. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like videos, please share with others and don't forget to like and subscribe.